Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted videos. Watch this video full. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Okay, firstly go to your Play Store. If you go to your Play Store, search deleted video recovery and download this application, deleted video recovery. Click on it and installing it now. If open it, wait few seconds. Restore, click on it. Restore, click on it. Restore deleted video, click on it. Okay, show deleted file, click on it. Okay, select the any one of this video, or you can select them all, but now let me select one. I want to show you. Okay, if you select the anyone, come down and click restore. Restore now, click on it. Restore now, click on it. So now restore deleted video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.